So you're going to need your Android phone with good internet connection. On your phone, you will need these two apps that work hand in hand. One is the YouTube app and another app is the YouTube Studio app. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Modesta and thanks for stopping by to watch this video. In today's video, I want to teach you how to create a YouTube channel using your Android phone. So you're going to need your Android phone with good internet connection. On your phone, you will need these two apps that work hand in hand. One is the YouTube app that I definitely know you have, because by the virtue that you're seeing this video, you're watching it on YouTube. And another app is the YouTube Studio app. So if you don't have these two apps, just go to your Play Store and download these apps because we are going to need them. Another thing you are going to need is a Google account, which actually is just an email account, an email address, which I know most of you have. And if you don't have, we are going to create one with you. But by the virtue that you are here on YouTube and maybe you registered your email account while you are downloading your YouTube app, you definitely already have a YouTube channel. So what you'll need is just maybe to edit it to your preference. You just edit it to your preference, maybe begin uploading videos. So guys, before we dive into the video, consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel if this is the kind of videos you love or you want to see. Your like will support my channel and will help me grow my channel. So thank you. Let us dive into the screen record, and remember we are doing this on our phone.
So we'll definitely come to our, as I had mentioned earlier, we will need this YouTube, the two here, YouTube Studio and your YouTube app. So we will because they work hand in hand, we will go direct to our YouTube Studio, not really YouTube Studio. I'll open our YouTube app and this is what you see.
Honestly, if I had a dollar for every single time,
I already have a channel, but I just want us to add another one. So I'll go to the rightmost lower corner here, and there's this icon there placed here. This is my current channel. This one is my current channel, but I want us to add another channel because we are creating a different one. So we'll go to switch accounts, and on this plus sign we add an account. Remember I said you will need a Google account, and that's what we are creating here. So it will bring, if you click on add account, or on that plus sign, it will bring you here whereby we will need to create another account. So I'll click on create account, and it will ask me whether I want for my personal use or for work or my business. So you can always choose any. Let me go in with my personal use. Remember, we are just creating this. I'm doing this for demonstration, so it will require our name, and we'll give in put in our names. What is that? My internet connection is poor, that's why it's slightly taking longer. Then it requires to put our birthday and gender. This is just for it to ensure that you are not a baby or a kid. You're not underage, I mean. So they'll give you options after putting in your details. You will be given options on the email addresses you want to use. Like you have you can always go ahead and create one that you need, but like on this option 3, you can click there maybe and create one of your choice, whatever you want. But I don't see the need. Let me just use one that I've been given here. Let me use this. This is just for demonstration anyway. Then I click next. Create a strong password. So you want to create a password that nobody can easily predict. So you go ahead and create your password. Remember, a strong password, you've been told that you need to mix with some letters, numbers, and symbols, or whatever special characters. That's where you can go in using characters like hash, at, whatever, and numbers amid letters. So let me create my password and see you on the next step. I have created a Google account. Then I come back to my YouTube app. I click, and this is what it brings me to. Then back down here in the corner on you, I click there. Then click on the channel that I have just created. That's what it looks like. And I go ahead and edit. So we have picture, change your photo. You can always change your photo according to your wishes. Let me choose from gallery, or you can go direct to camera. Any photo can do here, because you can always edit. You can always come back to that and edit. So I'll save my photo. Then I can let my name be this way as it is appearing here, or still change it. You can click and change and call yourself anything. Whatever you'll write here will be the name to your channel. But okay, I'm okay with it being Modesta Havakali, so I'll let it. I'll just save it that way. And then there is a YouTube handle at Modesta Havakali. You can still edit that, or let it be as it is. Then you create your channel created. Congratulations, guys, you just created your channel. So this is how your channel will appear with a profile picture. You can always maneuver around with these icons here, the settings and whatever. But then remember to go to your settings and just ensure all settings are intact. You can always move around. It is your channel, and do whatever you want to do with it. So now that I have 2 accounts, I can always switch from one account to another. I have this and this one. These 2 can always just switch from one to another. This is the information on one channel, and this and now this is the channel I just created.
That's it, guys. You created a channel, but there are these points you need to consider when you're creating your password. You have to ensure that it is a strong password. Ensure that you are mixing at least some letters with some symbols, or what we call special characters. There's characters such as @ hash, at hash, and those are the other characters that are on your phone, and also numbers, so that to create a strong password that can not easily be hacked or predicted by any other person. Another thing you can do with the channel is just maneuvering around it and editing it to your preference, because there are different phones that gives you different access. There are phones that will allow you make some settings and others not. So according to your phone, readjust your channel according to preference. You can go ahead and make as many settings as possible, like you can add your banner and yeah, many other settings. So thanks for watching this video this far, and if you loved this video, please kindly subscribe and like this video so that it can be shared to as many other YouTubers who are looking for such information. And in my other videos, I'll be talking about how you can upload a YouTube video using your phone, and how to everything about YouTube on phone. And thanks so much, and bye.